In the tumultuous aftermath of the American Civil War, the world was witness to a seminal moment in history. A moment that would forever change the face of warfare and set a new standard for the treatment of wounded soldiers and civilians. This was the birth of the Geneva Conventions, a series of international treaties designed to protect those caught in the crossfire of war. The year was 1864, and the world was still reeling from the horrors of the American Civil War. The battlefield was a landscape of despair, a testament to the savagery of mankind. However, amidst this chaos, a group of visionaries saw an opportunity for change. Henri Dunant, a Swiss businessman, was moved by the sight of the wounded soldiers left to die on the battlefield at Solferino, Italy. His heart ached for these men, and he knew that something had to be done to prevent such suffering in the future. Dunant rallied together a group of like-minded individuals, including the famous Swiss diplomat and humanitarian, Jacob Burckhardt. They worked tirelessly to draft a set of guidelines that would protect wounded soldiers in times of war. This document, known as the Geneva Convention, was presented to the International Committee of the Red Cross ACRC in 1864. The convention, initially met with skepticism, slowly gained traction. Other nations began to take notice of this groundbreaking document. In 1868, the Convention for the Amelioration of the Condition of the Wounded in Armies in the Field was adopted by the major European powers. This convention, often referred to as the First Geneva Convention, marked the first international agreement on the treatment of wounded soldiers and medical personnel during war. As the world entered the 20th century, the horrors of World War I highlighted the need for further protections. In 1929, the Second Geneva Convention was adopted, extending protection to civilians in times of war. This convention, along with the Third and Fourth Geneva Conventions adopted in 1949, established the fundamental principles of the Geneva Conventions we know today. The Geneva Conventions have stood the test of time, evolving to meet the challenges of modern warfare. They continue to serve as a beacon of hope in the darkest of times, reminding us that even in the face of war, humanity can strive for compassion and understanding. Through the Geneva Conventions, the world has seen a shift in the way wars are fought. From the battlefield to the negotiating table, the Geneva Conventions have set a standard for the treatment of those caught in the crossfire, ensuring that the horrors of war do not eclipse the humanity within us all.